In the final round of group matches during the 1979 Benson Hedges Cup, a one-day cricket competition, Somerset County Cricket Club faced Worcestershire County Cricket Club at New Road, Worcester, on 24 May 1979. The result of the match would help to determine which teams progressed to the quarter-finals. If Somerset lost and Glamorgan won their match, Somerset, Worcestershire, and Glamorgan would have been level on points. Bowling strike rate would have then been used as a tie-breaker. The Somerset team, led by their captain, Brian Rose, realized that if they batted first and declared the innings closed after just one over, it would protect their strike rate advantage to guarantee their qualification. Somerset scored 1 run from their over and declared. Worcestershire took 10 deliveries to score the 2 runs they needed to win. The match was completed in 18 minutes and consisted of only 16 legal deliveries. Although Somerset's declaration was within the laws of the game, Rose was condemned by the press and cricket officials. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.